Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. This is our third lecture of Cohort English for class 1. In today's lecture we discussed unit number 3 and the name of unit is No, it is not, it is. Before starting our actual topic, firstly you must know where to use this and where to use it. I select a word flower. With this word, you will understand the difference clearly. Now, let's take an example with flower. This, it. With this, we say this is a beautiful flower. Now, with it, we say it's a beautiful flower or it is a beautiful flower. Here, we use this. Here we use it. So, and what is the difference here? This is used to demonstrate a noun that has already been spoken. Okay? And it is used when we are telling someone, like, as I told someone, I saw a flower yesterday. It was very beautiful. Here I use it instead of this. So, it is used as personal pronoun. This is used as demonstrative pronoun. Okay, getting my point? I hope that the correct use of this and it is clear to you. Now, let's have a look on no, it is not, and it is. Here. No is a negative word. No is used as a negative word. As an example, if I ask you, do you play cricket? Then you answer me, no. So, no is used as determinant in sentence. Determinant means no shows quantity. No is used to define quantity, which is 0. When we try to say there is no quantity, then we use no. As an example, I say I have no money. No money means I have 0 money. Another example of no is there is no sugar in the jar, which shows there is 0 sugar in the jar. So, we see no is also used as determiner. Now, not. Not is used to form negative sentences. For example, I ask you, are you studying? Then you answer me, no, I am not studying. Which shows not is used to make complete negative sentence. Whereas no shows quantity and no is used as determiner. I have pointer in my hand. I ask you, is this a marker? Then you answer me, no, it is not. And then you say, it is a pointer. That is the correct answer. Let's look at the book. Here, is this a house? No, it is not a house. It is a mosque. So students, I hope you all understand the use of no, it is not, and it is clearly. Explore rest of the reading by your own. Stay safe, stay firm. Allah Hafiz.